twigs. Lay a dino egg quiet as it is. Little egg starts to shake, wiggle side to side. Something's waking up, something inside. Crack goes the egg with a tiny sound. A baby dino's coming around. Baby T-Rex pops its head, roaring softly, ready to be fed. Another egg goes tap, tap, tap. Baby Triceratops takes a nap. Crack, 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 what do we see? A long neck dino, Brachiosaurus. Spinosaurus splashes near, out of the egg with a happy cheer. Stegosaurus comes out slow, with spiky plates all in a row. Velociraptor jumps out quick, running around so fast and slick. Pterodactyl spreads its wings, flies up high like flying kings. Ankylosaurus rolls out strong, with a heavy tail all day long. Eggs keep cracking one by one, so many dinos, oh what fun! Baby dinos stomp and play, learning new things every day. Mama dino comes to see her little babies. 1, 2, 3. All the dinos